When you open the suitcase, you will find the fabric enclosure, metal pieces for the frame pads, stabilizing straps, and an extra coverlet that's packaged in plastic and labeled, and the air mattress for travel. The fabric enclosure and coverlets are washable and made from fire retardant fabrics. The coverlet sheet can have incontinence fabric added to the back. The frame is made out of aluminum, which makes it lightweight and yet durable. To get started, lay out all 6 pieces for the base, B1 through B6. These pieces will have the black U shapes on them, making them quickly recognizable. The other pieces, T1 through T8, are for the top. Lay those aside for later. Line up the corresponding numbers, B1 to B1, and snap together by pushing in the button and sliding into place. You'll hear a click when the button is engaged. Continue consecutively in this fashion until you reach B5. At this point, line up B5 and B6 to the corresponding numbers and click into place at the same time. Doing it this way will reduce creating a tension point. This completes the base. Now let's move on to the top. The top pieces are assembled in the same fashion as the base. First, find the angled pieces labeled T1. I like to call them the double 45. Line those numbers up, T1 to T1, and click into place. You guessed it, find T2 and that corresponding number, click into place. Continue on through T4. Now for the other top piece, T5 to T5 through T8. I think you see a pattern here. To connect the base and the top, simply line up the eye end and the jaw slide and make sure the support bars line up with their corresponding numbers, S1 to S1, S2 to S2, and so on. Line up the connection point so that the push pin can slide through both holes. Then flip the toggle at the back to secure it in place. Do this for all 8 connecting points. This is what your safety sleeper frame will look like when it's complete. This can be done before or after securing the enclosure to your frame. Attach the frame pad covers to the triangle section formed from the support bars and lower portion of the frame. Start with the zipper on the vertical or straight part of your frame. After zipped, adjust your frame pads so that the bottom covers the push pins. Lay the enclosure in the center of the frame. Unfold it and look for the 2 zippers that run parallel. That's the roof of the enclosure, and those are the zippers used to secure the enclosure to the top of your frame. Lift the padded zipper to the outside of the frame, just above the frame pads. Make sure the pin is firmly seated into that box or the head of the zipper so that it is fully engaged. You don't want your zipper partially engaged, creating any space for it to separate. Lift the padding up and over the top horizontal part of the frame. Use your body if you need to help hold it in place while you start the zipper. Zip all the way across and repeat on the other side. Underneath your enclosure, there are 2 smaller zippers that attach to the base of your frame as well to secure your bed. For your convenience, the safety sleeper can be placed directly on the floor for ease of entry or on a traditional bed frame. That's your choice. In the home, the safety sleeper is intended for use with a standard mattress. For our US and Canadian customers, we provide a memory foam mattress with the purchase of your bed. For our international customers, we recommend a 22 to 27 centimeter thick mattress. Start by unzipping one of the large zippers at the end of the bed. Insert your mattress, then shimmy it in. You can use the zipper at the other end to help guide the mattress in place if you need. Close the zippers on either end and secure them with the outside clip. Although the bed may be used directly on the floor, for added stability, we do recommend placing it on a bed frame, with or without a box spring, and using the provided stabilizing straps to secure the safety sleeper frame to the bed frame. This can be done before or after the mattress is installed. Start by pulling apart the Velcro on one end of the strap. Use this end to wrap around the base of the safety sleeper frame under the frame pad. Secure that Velcro. Take the strap and send it down under the bed frame and box spring if using one, across to the other side. Pull apart that end of the Velcro. Use that end to wrap up and around the safety sleeper base just under the frame pad like you did on the other side. Repeat this with the other strap. This is what your bed looks like when it's complete, ready to have sweet dreams. The coverlet is easily removable for laundering purposes. Your safety sleeper comes standard with 2 coverlets. One will be in your enclosure upon arrival and the other in the suitcase. The coverlet creates a completely enclosed pocket for the mattress, eliminating any possible areas of entrapment.